It is hot in here. Well, looks like I gotta go turn on my fan. What the fuck? Why the fuck is this fan not working? The fan's plugged in, I believe. Yeah, look at that. See? Fan's plugged in and it's not wanting to turn on or anything. Son of a bitch. Welp, I think I only have one solution for this fan, and that is... This fan, right here, it's fucking done. Welp, all going to the trash. Bye-bye. Yeah. That's how it's done, folks. That's how it's done.